Water, water everywhere. Do you know Canada has 62% of total number of lakes in the world? But yet, every year, thousands of drinking water advisories are issued to various communities in Canada. It means hundreds of them are also long-term boiled water advisories. It means waking up in the middle of the night, not able to get a glass of water. But interestingly enough, 89% of these boiled water advisories are not due to lack of treatment technologies, but due to equipment and process failure. It means we are good at treating water, but not good at effectively delivering them to our small and remote communities. What if there is a system which is small, efficient, yet lot cheaper to be put in these communities to treat water? That is where gravity-driven membrane filtration system comes into place. We all know when water flows from a height, it has energy, and that exact energy is used as a driving force to force water through a membrane, which is essentially a filter. But as water passes through, particles accumulate on one side of the membrane, creating something called a biofilm. A biofilm is a good thing. It acts as a secondary membrane and filters organic particles. But at the same time, as water passes through, it increases the resistance of this membrane to water flow. So, as a modification of this gravity system, we have the passive gravity system, which is the exact same setup but has additional two openings at the bottom to let out water and let in air. Imagine you're dumping out a water bottle. As the water flows out, we see bubbles get inside. This exact mechanism is used in this passive gravity system to remove biofilms out of the system via reject. So, is this modification actually reducing the resistance? That is where my research comes in. I ran these two systems parallelly for over 11 weeks and figured out that the water output of the passive system is significantly higher than the water output of the gravity system. I also looked into the biofilm characterization of these two membrane systems and looked at the microbial community and behavior. But now, why do we care about biofilms? Biofilms are like the heart and soul of the system. This biofilm can be modified in such a way that it could filter, for example, viruses or to treat hard water. So I hope this provides a small contribution towards providing safe and accessible water to everybody around us. Thank you.